Hey guys, welcome back to another new videos and Viklogdo welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing the warrant of arrest. In the previous video we have discussed the summons as well. So here in this video today we will discuss the warrant of arrest. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get CRPC related videos regularly. So first of all we will know what is a warrant under Criminal Procedure Code. So, a warrant is a document issued by a court to a person or an entity who is involved in a legal proceeding. Okay, a warrant is issued only in serious offenses or in the case when the summons is served to a person or to the accused but he disobeys and avoids the services of the summons, willfully avoids the services of the summons. In that case, the warrant of arrest is issued by the court. If the accused seem to be avoiding the summons, if the court sees that the accused is avoiding the summons, then the court in the second instance issue a bailable warrant. In the third instance, when the court is fully satisfied that the accused is avoiding the court's proceeding intentionally, then the process of issuance of the non-bailable warrant is resorted to. The portion of the warrant of arrest is covered under section 70 to section 81 of the Criminal Procedure Code. So here the warrant of arrest is of two types: bailable warrant of arrest and non-bailable warrant of arrest. First, the bailable warrant may be served on a person or an entity to ensure that he is present in the court of law, and a non-bailable warrant should be issued to bring a person or representative of any entity to court when the summons or bailable warrants would be unlikely to have the desired result. That is, when the summons is served to the accused and he does not come to the court or avoid the summon. Okay, so in that case, non-bailable warrant of arrest is issued. A warrant indicates the name and designation of the police officer who is in charge of executing that warrant. It shall, that particular document or form of warrant shall also bear the name and address of the person against whom such warrant has to be executed, along with which offense is charged against him or what offense he has committed. Okay, now we will discuss the procedure of issuance and service of warrant of arrest. Okay, a police officer may execute a warrant by arresting and producing the person or the representative of any entity before the court of law. Once the person is arrested by the police, then it is the duty of the police to produce that person in the court within 24 hours. In the event if there is a delay in producing such person before the court of law, then the police officer is required to show sufficient cause for delay or sufficient reason for delay. What was the reason of your delay? Why did you delay? Okay. Now we will come to section 70, that is form of warrant of arrest and duration. As per section 70 of the Criminal Procedure Code, every warrant of arrest that is issued by the court under the said section has to be in writing. First part is the form of warrant or warrant of arrest, it should be in writing and shall bear the signature of the presiding officer or the judge or the magistrate who is issuing the arrest warrant, along with the seal of the court. So three things are necessary, that are: the warrant of arrest should be in writing, it shall bear the signature of the presiding officer or judge, and there should be the seal of the court as well. The warrant of arrest shall be in force or continue until the same has been either executed by the police officers or is cancelled by the court itself. Now, section 72, warrants to whom directed. A warrant of arrest is usually directed to one or more police officers, but if no police officer is available immediately and immediate execution is necessary or immediate arrest is necessary or required, then the warrant of arrest may be directed to any other person or persons in such cases, and it may be executed by all or any of them. Okay. Similarly, if an arrest is that of an escaped convict or a proclaimed offender or any person against whom non-bailable warrant is pending, it has against any person the non-bailable warrant is pending or it has not been executed, then such person or the accused is evading arrest, then the court can direct the warrant of arrest to any person within his local jurisdiction, within the local jurisdiction of the court. The court can direct any person to arrest that person who is evading arrest or who is a proclaimed offender or who is an escaped convict. This procedure for executing the warrant is commonly known as private arrest. Okay. In the case the warrant has to be executed outside the local jurisdiction of the court from which the warrant has been issued, the court issuing the warrant shall forward the warrant to the court or executive magistrate or the commissioner of police within local limits of whose jurisdiction it is to be executed, and then such person shall execute the warrant. Let's understand this with an example. There are two states or two areas. To be precise, there are two areas, two districts, Alipur district and Purulia district in West Bengal. The court in the Alipur district has issued an arrest warrant against the person A. Okay. In this case, the A has gone to Purulia or fled to Purulia, evading arrest. Then the court of New Alipur, what will that do? Here, in this case, the Alipur court will forward the warrant of arrest, the document, to the court or the executive magistrate or the commissioner of police of the Purulia district, so that the police commissioner or the court or their police can arrest that person or execute the warrant. Before executing the warrant of arrest, the police officer shall read out or inform or notify the substance of the warrant and, if required, show him the warrant. Okay. So here, as you can see, there is a form of warrant. This you can see or read in the second schedule of the Criminal Procedure Code in the form number 2. Here you will see section 70, warrant of arrest. This is the form of warrant of arrest. Okay. I hope this video is clear to you, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. And if you have any doubt in this video, please do comment. For then, stay safe. Thank you.